Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a shared calendar in Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft account to access your emails. This will load your Outlook inbox and give you access to all the calendar features you need for sharing. Once your email has loaded up, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon which represents your Outlook settings. Click on this icon to open up your settings panel. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Outlook account, including calendar management and sharing preferences. After clicking the gear icon, your settings panel will open on the right side of the screen. From here, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll see various tabs and options. Look for the Calendar tab and click on it. This will reveal all the calendar-related settings available in Outlook, giving you control over how your calendars are managed and shared with others. Under the Calendar tab, you'll see several sections related to calendar management. Locate and click on the Shared Calendars section. This is the specific area where you can control which calendars you want to share with other people and manage the permissions for those shared calendars. It's the central hub for all your calendar sharing activities. Once you're in the Shared Calendars section, you'll directly see the Share a Calendar option right at the top. Click on the drop-down menu next to it to choose which calendar you want to share. You might have multiple calendars like work, personal, or project-specific ones, so make sure you select the correct calendar that you want to share with your contact. Take a moment to confirm your selection before moving forward. After selecting your calendar from the drop-down, you'll notice that the Share button becomes active and clickable. Go ahead and click the Share button to proceed. This action will open a new window called Sharing and Permissions, which is where you'll specify who gets access to your calendar and what level of access they'll have. In the Sharing and Permissions window that appears, you'll see a field where you can enter an email address. Simply type in the email address of the person you wish to share your calendar with. Make sure the email address is correct to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Once you've entered the email address, click on the Share button at the bottom of the window. Your shared calendar will now be added to your contact's Outlook account, allowing them to view your calendar events and schedule. And that's it. You've successfully added a shared calendar in Outlook, making it easier to coordinate schedules and stay organized with your colleagues or family members. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.